Hello everyone, if you have this type of data in Excel and you want to separate date and time in single columns, so you can use only one trick to do this all. As you see, there are 328 rows. We cannot type this manually because it takes our time too much. First, we use the shortcut key Alt H O I to adjust the columns automatically. Select the both columns you want to separate the date and times. As we have in two columns, so we do. Go to data type and then click on from table option. It takes some time. The range was selected. Click OK to continue the process. It takes some time again. The new query will be opened on your Excel and all rows are loaded. You can change the name from the right side of the corner, the name of the table. All rows are uploaded successfully. Now click on column 1 and go to split columns option and new query and select by delimiter. The new window will be open. Click on this tab and select the space options and also select leftmost delimiter option. We use space option because the first space from left side comes after 2025. As you seen, the time and date are in separate columns. Similarly do for another column. Now if you want to the first row as a header, click on the above option, use first row as a header. It will automatically becomes the header of the table. After completing the procedure, click on close and load. Again, it will take some time to load the new query sheet. As you seen, the two columns becomes into four columns. Using this method, you can separate different type of columns. Remember, this option is available on only latest versions of Excel. So my version is 2016. You can't find this option in old versions of Excel. Like and follow the channels if you want more tricks like these. Thank you.